Good morning. We are on our way to do a backflow test, and I have no idea why my camera is crooked. There we go. Whoa, dude. I don't know why it's saying crooked, but yeah, let's go. So we are on our way to do a backflow test, headed to Laguna Hills. Seems like I'm starting to get a lot more calls in that area. I don't know what's prompting it. Maybe people are seeing me around, or hopefully my customers are sharing and referring me. I probably should start asking how they heard about me. But obviously the backflow test here in Laguna Hills, I'm on a list, so I know that's probably how they heard about me on that. But yeah, it seems like I'm getting some more calls in Laguna Hills, Lake Forest, all that area, which is cool by me. And yeah, what do you think of this fog, dude? It is thick. It was real foggy last night, and it's real thick right now. And it's probably going to be real bad on the 73. I'm going to be hopping on here pretty soon. And yeah, I think it's going to be bad. But anyway. So yeah, man. We're going to head to that job. I hope you guys are doing good. And drop a comment, dude, if there's anything you want to see, and hit the like button, man. I hate saying that crap, you know what I mean? I hate it, but by you hitting the like button, it does help. It helps me in the algorithm. And just hit the like button for me, man. All right, I'll see you at the job, dude. So this is an RP. Tell by that. Flow direction's going this way. Hopefully that shuts. All right, so our parent reading right now is 9.8. 9.8. So let's open this up. .6. Bypass on. We're sitting at 9.2. All right, we are wrapped up. The RP did pass. It's good news. That handle though was jacked, bro. Had to use a pair of pliers to turn it back on. But yep, I will submit the paperwork as soon as I get payment, and that'll be that, dude. So yeah, now we are on our way to a repeat customer. Sounds like she wants a kitchen faucet installed, and then also has some other items she needs me to look at. I guess her water heater is acting up and needs help with the pop-up assembly. So we're gonna go take a look at that, see if we can make some installs and repairs. I don't think we'll have the time to do everything today, but probably do the faucet today. So, all right, man. I will see you at the job. All right, we are wrapped up, my bro. Kitchen faucet in. And yeah, that's it, dude. We're gonna go run to the supply house to grab a few items. We're gonna be going back to this house on Wednesday, which probably doesn't mean anything to you because who knows, this might drop on a Friday. We're gonna be going back in a few days to replace the tub spout, and also they had a Grundfos recirculating pump added to the water heater, and the installer put it on the inlet side, and they haven't been able to get any hot water. So I'm pretty sure there's a reason why it always goes on the outlet. Yeah, I know it doesn't actually draw water, it moves water. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna start this over. All right, so all right, we are done, dude. Put in that kitchen faucet, easy peasy. Looked at a few different things. We're gonna be going back to switch Grundfos pump. So they had one of those recirculating pumps put on the top of the water heater, but it was put on the inlet side, and they haven't had any hot water since it was put on. So we're gonna put on the right side, on the outlet side, and make sure we're good with that. And then we're also going to replace the tub spout. So we'll be returning in a few days to do that. And yeah, I gotta stop by the supply house right now, order a part for a customer where we put in the cartridge and it didn't work. I'm gonna order one more, and if it don't work, it is what it is. So we're done, dude. We are done. So I will see you on the next one, man. And the next one, I'm getting a cap put on. So that'll probably be the next video. Next video dropping. I got a Lear DCC cap painted to match the truck. So the next video will be of that. So that's exciting. Anyway, have a good day. See you in the next one, dude.